station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Nilofer Ramji. Earlier this week, the 7 people living and working aboard the space station said goodbye to one cargo spacecraft as they prepare to welcome 2 more. Just a couple days after the undocking of the Progress 79 cargo craft from the International Space Station, Progress 81 launched from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. It docked to the space station's Vedka service module just a few hours later. Progress delivered fuel, water, and other supplies. It is expected to stay docked for 6 months.
Space to Ground.
Coming up, the astronauts are expecting another delivery, this time from SpaceX. The 25th Cargo Dragon spacecraft is set to launch from the space station from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida, carrying investigations and supplies for the crew. Dozens of new experiments will be flying aboard Cargo Dragon, including studies of wound healing and the impact of dust in the Earth's atmosphere. One study from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory will use NASA imaging spectroscopy technology to measure the mineral composition of Earth's dust source regions. The Earth's Surface Mineral Dust Source Investigation, known as EMIT, hopes to learn more about the impact that mineral dust has on Earth's climate, weather, vegetation, and more. The collection of images over a year's time could advance our understanding of how dust in Earth's arid regions affects people now and in the future. Another study from the European Space Agency called Suitor in Space looks at the process of wound healing in microgravity. This understanding is vital for astronauts traveling farther away from Earth who may experience a medical emergency. But here on Earth, these techniques could help with cell regeneration, surgical skills, and may improve the ability to preserve tissues in emergencies. To follow these and hundreds of other science investigations aboard the orbiting laboratory, head over to ISS_research on Twitter. That's all for Space to Ground. You can keep up with all of the cargo arrivals and departures by following Space_Station on social media. We'll see you next week.